Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here is my May 2022 bullet journal. And for this theme, I decided to do an airplane, paper airplane, and orbs. I did get the paper airplane idea from somebody on Pinterest, so I'm going to put their username at the corner of the screen, and I'll also link them down below. I know that there's like a lot of recreations of the paper airplane theme, but this person was the first one that I saw, so I'm just gonna credit them since that is the first person I saw. So yeah, the orbs I decided to add after because I really didn't want to fill the whole cover page with just paper airplanes, because I felt like it would have been really cluttered if I did just paper airplanes. So I threw in the orbs to kind of break off. And yeah, that is pretty much the voiceover I'm gonna do for this video. I really don't want to do like a really long voiceover explaining stuff this month, so I'm gonna save that for next month. So the rest of the video is just, you know, the music. So I'm just gonna do the outro right now, so that way you can enjoy the rest of the video. So anyways, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to, and I hope you have a nice day, morning, or night. Bye. Later.
Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, yeah. Or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter, yeah. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. Start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here tonight before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. We gave it up, say bye, baby, bye. I'll be, you'll be, yeah, we'll be fine. So let's call it a night, and that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. For the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here right now before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way. all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything, as long as I can be here with you. Everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.